Linking a bank account to Security Service Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process that allows for easier transfers and management of your finances. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your online account. Visit the Security Service Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name. Click on it to access the options for managing your account. Step 3. Select Link External Account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter the details of the bank account you wish to link. This typically includes the bank's name, your account number, and a routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank information, review it for correctness and submit the request. You may need to verify the linking through a small test deposit made by Security Service Federal Credit Union to your external bank account. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the verification. After completing this step, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Security Service Federal Credit Union account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.